Assalamu alaikum. I am your host Mia Nadeem. You friends, two brothers. I am also in this new channel. Welcome. Inshallah, when our it's happened mobile well, man a good deal. I applied to you, Raven, so you have to watch this channel. It also has to uh, subscribe, likes and shares. To contact my WhatsApp number 0308 7672 180 to my WhatsApp number for any goods can text and or voice message. Only text and voice message will be available in English. You do not calls. So I accept you to be in needs with me. So make Allah love all of you people. Please give me the beauty of spring. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.